blessed afternoon, ma'am, and a blessed afternoon, classmates. We are the second group and we're going to tackle about lesson 10, which is the interactive media. In this lesson, we're going to understand what is rich content in the online environment and also the multimedia and interactivity. Now, when we say rich content in the online environment, it is the use of advanced technology such as streaming video that flash to interact instantly with the user. All the rich media technologies generally exhibit characteristics, and one of these is that they allow for advanced animations, meaning they support audio or radio in advertising, and they make possible the instant user interaction. And a great example of this is YouTube. Now, when we say multimedia, it is a media and content that uses a combination of different forms, while interactivity can be termed as the dialogue that occurs between an individual and a computer program. Let's proceed with the lesson objectives. This lesson wants to improve the interactivity of the website you are going to make that may include elements which can be actively engaged by the user and therefore provides better user experience. Next is to embed multimedia content from YouTube, and lastly, to create a viewer or customer-friendly experience for those who visit websites through multimedia content. Now for the lesson discussion. We all know that there was a time that the internet was not as fast as today's internet, that only text, images, and bits of sound are placed on most websites. Today, however, videos and music are now placed freely on most websites. In fact, if you visit CNN.com's websites today using the internet of the year 2000, your World Wide Web would turn into a different kind of World Wide Wait. CNN now hosts videos placed on their homepage, which was unthinkable in the past because of slow internet speed. Videos made back then were never on the homepage and can be viewed on demand or only when a user clicks on it. The same goes for high-quality images and background music. Most websites you see today have embedded YouTube videos on them. To remedy problem that not everyone has fast internet access, these YouTube videos can be set to be played on demand rather than having them played automatically. And for further understanding, let's have Kristine to explain more about multimedia content.
Multimedia is a form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, audio, images, animations, or video into a single presentation, in contrast to the traditional mass media such as printed material or audio recordings. Here are multimedia contents that you can find on some websites. First is the video. Through video hosting sites, you can take a video and show it to the entire world. Example of this is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing service where users can watch, like, share, comment, and upload their own videos. Next is the sound, music, or audio. If videos are too much for you, you can always record sound. You can now share your sound bites to the entire world. Example of this is SoundCloud. Number 3 is online games. Game developers now create what is called browser-based games. You do not need to install these games to your computer as they run in most updated web browsers. Example of this is Adventure Quest, Candy Crush, and Farmville. Number 4 is online test. Online survey tests and forms that automatically display the results when finished. Example of this is Brain Wonders. Number 5, COURSEWARE. Online survey tests and forms that automatically display the results when finished. Example of this is e-learning. Number 6 is podcast. An episodic series of audio or text files streamed online. A podcast is an episodic series of spoken word digital audio files that a user can download to a personal device for easy listening. A podcast series usually features one or more recurring hosts engaged in a discussion about a particular topic or current event. Example of podcast is the TED Talks. Last is the VODCAST. It is an episodic series of videos streamed online. The term vodcast comes from the combination of the words video and podcast. Video podcast may also be referred to as a vidcast. In order to watch a vodcast, you need a podcatcher capable of playing video such as iTunes.
First, go to www.youtube.com on a computer. You'll need to be using YouTube on a computer to get the embed code for your video. Next, go to the video you want to embed. Search for the video and then click its name in the search results. Third, decide where you want the embedded video to begin. If you want the video to start playing from the beginning on your website, you can just copy the embedded link. But if you want the video to start playing at a certain point, drag the red dot, the playhead, to the desired place in the video and click pause. If the video isn't already paused, or just click the play button and then select pause once you've reached the correct point in the video. Click the share button. It's below the video's bottom right corner. The button has a curved arrow on it. Options for sharing the video will expand. Fifth, click embed. It's the first icon under share a link and contains two angled brackets. This displays the embed code for the video. Sixth, choose your embedding options. The video will start playing from the beginning by default. If you chose a different starting point, check the box next to start at. The correct time will appear in the corresponding box. To display player controls, such as the ability to pause or skip ahead on the embedded video, check the box next to show player controls. Check the box next to enable privacy enhanced mode if you want to prevent YouTube from tracking your website visitors who don't click the video.
Click the copy link. It's at the bottom right corner of the window. This copies the embed code to your clipboard. The code will look something like this. After you copy the link, open up your web page HTML editor. Many blogging websites let you insert the video directly into the post, as well as without changing your website's code. So for our blog, we're going to use WordPress. Just go to wordpress.com and click right at the upper corner and just paste the link that you copied from YouTube. After you paste it, it will look something like this. And after you finish writing your blog, you just have to publish it. So for website, you can edit them using a text editor such as Notepad or TextEdit on Mac. So first, let us open our Notepad, then find where you want your video in the HTML. For example, if I wrote a post, say, check out my new video, those exact words will appear somewhere in the HTML code. Just type open bracket, then HTML, then close the bracket, press enter, type another bracket, then type the word body, then type a close bracket. Next, press enter again and make space for your video. And paste the video code where you want the video to go. Then type /body/HTML then save it as .html. Then, you're ready to preview your video in your website.
After we discuss our lesson, it is now our time to shine by answering the following questions. What are the other video hosting sites beside YouTube? TikTok, Vimeo, Instagram, Twitch, Internet Archive, Veo, Hulu, Netflix, IGTV, Dailymotion, 9gag TV, Mixer, MetaCafe, Wistia, Vevo, MySpace.
What is the importance of inserting YouTube videos on your blog and website? Embedding videos in your blog posts is the most direct and advantageous way to integrate your content marketing and YouTube videos. When you place videos in blog posts, your posts become more dynamic and engaging. Video is one of the most important tools for a digital marketing strategy. Viewers are consuming video content more than ever before, and that trend isn't slowing down anytime soon. The move from the text and visual content to video content has been fast, and businesses who don't make the transition will be left behind with an underperforming website. It's how people are consuming content. People's browsing the internet have short attention spans, and videos allow visitors to consume more content faster. Visitors are more to engage with videos than with the static text, so creating more interactive and visual content is essential. A video provides supplemental material to the static content on a website that helps to provide a compelling experience for the consumer. Videos are a great way to build a lasting relationship with online visitors. Video is a great way to humanize your brand and connect with your website visitors. This connection is part of relationship and trust building. Even when a video is not watched, there is subconsciousness trust signal being established between your brand and the viewers. As more companies become aware of the success of online video marketing, your competitors may use the opportunity to get away in research results and brand message. Videos will help you reach new website visitors and create a lasting impression. Having videos on your website is very important, especially if your business deals with a subject many people find boring, such as website development. The use of videos on your website will also help page rank and your overall search engine optimization. Consumers are more likely to remember your video than the content they can read on your competitor's website. Add in the fact that video links are easily shareable, and you have an opportunity for your customers to post your content across their social platforms. Video is the way consumers are absorbing content on the internet, and your business should be primed to take advantage of the opportunity that video provides. This is because videos allows your company to communicate to your customer base in a simple but effective way. Combining YouTube videos with your written content can help you stand out from your competitor. That's all. Thank you.